All right.
Cocktail sauce first, looks like.
Yeah.
They're juicy.
They're hot. That was fun.
So here's what we're going to try today. Breaded oysters. Hey guys, so again, I was at my local Asian market recently and I came across this. These are breaded fried oysters. Definitely going to try these. If my mom was still around, God rest her soul, she'd definitely sit down and have a few of these with us. Let's get started. Now, American products usually come pre-fried and you just got to refry them. These don't. They come with the coating on the outside, ready to fry for the very first time. Okay, you get the oil hot enough? Drop them in. Make sure you touch down. Drop them away from you. Get a little bit of ice on them. Just want to give them each a flip. Oh, got a nice color. Kind of a good habit to have this little net strainer I've got. You're doing it on the stove. I have a deep fryer, but it's kind of a pain. And those look good. And we'll just let that cool down a bit. Now, ironically, you can see here it says you can do these in the oven, but when they haven't been fried first, that's a mistake. I would skip this step. You ever see that on something that hasn't been fried yet or baked? Don't do it. Deep fry is what we just did. Follow these directions. Air fry, same thing, but you still need to add oil to it before you air fry it. Now check this out. Here we've got some cocktail sauce and some tartar sauce, and I've got the best recipes for both of these. This is huge on Pinterest. I don't know why they love it so much. I guess it must be pretty good. So let's give these a taste. First, cocktail sauce. Ooh, they're hot. Pretty good, especially for frozen. With seafood, that usually affects it a lot. That's all right. Now let's dip one into the tartar sauce, see if that is any better. Very juicy. But there's not a bad seafood taste. People that don't like seafood, they don't like that fishiness and that gamey taste, but just don't have that. Got a good crunch. You couldn't hear it on the camera already. Nice and tender all the way through. I like it. I know you guys want to see my wife try it. Let's get her in here. Wife! All right, pick your pleasure.
Right.
Cocktail sauce first, looks like. They're juicy.
They're hot. That was fun. Oh, it's all over me.
Definitely juicy. I should have warned you. We can't get those good moments on camera if I do. All right.
I like it with the tartar sauce the best. Very good.
We should buy those again?
Yeah, let's buy them again.
Okay, so the truth is those aren't bad, but I know I can make better. I've done it. I used to make these with my mom. It's one of the first things that she taught me how to make when I was a kid. So if you're interested in learning how to do it from scratch and doing it fresh so it tastes great for sure, instead of, relying on an Asian market and trying to find these blindly, because I don't think I've ever seen these in a regular grocery mart around here. Anyway, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe.